Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a high-quality source that improves results. Sign into Google Photos, pick an image with clear subject and background, and upload it if needed. Once done, open the image and tap the Edit menu, then select Magic Editor. Make sure you allow any requested permissions and that your image is at least 2,000 pixels across for fine detail. This gets you immediately into the editing canvas, where you can begin targeted changes without wasting time on trivial setup. Now focus on the how. Select the subject or the area you want to change using the brush or lasso tool. Once selected, pick adjustments, lighting, color temperature, or background style, and watch the live preview to judge impact. If you need content-aware changes, use generative fill or variations to create alternatives. Generate 2 or 3 and compare. Make incremental tweaks because smaller steps let you control artifacts. As you proceed, toggle before / after to ensure edits preserve important details. Finish by exporting the edited image at original resolution and selecting your preferred file type and quality. This preserves detail. Before saving, inspect edges and fine textures. Use the healing brush for small fixes. If you encounter odd artifacts or mismatched lighting, undo the last steps, refine the selection mask, and rerun the generative fill with a narrower area. As a key troubleshooting tip, when results look off, simplify edits and reapply changes in smaller increments to isolate the source of the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.